I got sunlight on my skin, golden hours pouring in, little proof that I'm exactly where I should be. Got my heartbeat in the groove, all my worries start to move out of frame while I dance with my reality. Life feels good, I feel alive. Every moment has a little bit of shine. Life feels good, I feel alive. I'm enjoying this chapter, it's finally my time. Always running in my head, now I slow my steps and feel the magic. Instead, coffee on the balcony, laughing with my friends. These are the kind of days I pray for back then. Yeah. City lights and nice soft breeze on my face. I'm walking through my story with a different kind of grace. I'm letting go of heavy and picking up light. I'm learning how to treat my heart right. Every song I play becomes my script. Got sunlight on my skin, golden hours pouring in, little proof that I'm exactly where I should be. Got my heartbeat in the groove, all my worries start to move out of frame while I dance with my re-raising. Life feels good, I feel alive. Every moment has a little bit of shine. Life feels good, I feel alive. I'm enjoying this chapter, it's finally my time. Money isn't everything, but it's flowing better now. I'm paid to do the things that make my soul say wow. Love shows up in text and calls and tiny signs and stranger smiles, and in my own softer mind. I'm talking to myself like I talk to a friend. I cheer for my baby to shine our sun every end. I look around my room and see how far I came. I finally let myself enjoy my own name. Let the past rise, let the lights fade low. Let the beat remind me I can trust my flow. I close my eyes and feel